Hi, I'm Kyle Brown, CEO of Patient Crossroads, and today I'd like to speak a bit about the FPIES Foundation Global Patient Registry Program. A patient registry essentially collects medical information directly from a patient community by really sharing information that the patients have. Families live with these disorders every day, and you have the insights that researchers really need in order to make new discoveries, to connect the dots between what the patient community is experiencing and saying, and being able to speed the research that could potentially bring treatments to the space. It only takes an hour for you all to make a huge difference. Essentially, what you need to do is just go to fpiesregistry.com. You create an account, you set your permissions, you tell us how you would like to share your information. You provide some contact data, so complete some medical surveys, and spread the word. Tell others about this program and get them involved as well. By doing so, you can view de-identified data of everyone else in the system and really learn from the broader community. And I'm actually going to show you what it takes to participate. You are in control of your data. Your contact information is never shared without your permission. We only share de-identified data with researchers. That's aggregated charts and graphs with the research community. We may contact you in the future if you give us permission to ask you to participate further, to give us more information, or to participate in a clinical trial. To participate in a program like this, all you need to do is visit the fpiesregistry.com website. I'm showing it here on the screen. You can learn more about the registry program and about the FPIES Foundation, who's the partner on this particular registry. First step in the program is to create an account. We need to understand who it is that's registering. In this particular community, it's often going to be a parent registering a child. So we need to understand who it is that actually is registering and representing the particular patient on this behalf, and have the ability to reach back out to you and provide the proper consent so that we may share your information with researchers or not, as you wish. The next thing you do is tell us about the actual participant. In this case, it's most likely going to be your child. Gender, birth date, race, ethnicity. This is all important information to try to understand trends within a given community. The next thing you do is actually answer medical questionnaires. The first one you're going to be presented with is about birth history. We want to understand more fully exactly was birth involved in any of the complications. There's medical information that we would like to collect over time. How were you diagnosed? What is the proper treatments, or how are you managing this disease over time? Collecting this information is very important from as large of a community as possible in order to start connecting the dots for researchers. You don't have to complete just say all at one sitting. You can take as much as you like, leave, come back another day and complete it if you wish, and you will always be taken back to where you originally were left off. Once you complete questionnaires, you can view information from other families around the world. Again, we only share de-identified aggregated data. Don't worry, we don't pinpoint your address because we don't even collect your address. We just go down to the city level. But being able to understand from a global perspective where the patient community is really helps researchers in clinical trial planning and understand if there's local geographical needs that may need to be addressed. You can then compare your responses to other people in the community. So the more questionnaires you complete, the more charts and graphs that you can see in the program and have an opportunity to learn from others. Your response is actually highlighted and compared against others in the group. Again, no one sees your contact information, but it gives you a really good opportunity to see how you're similar or how you're different than others in the community, and you may be able to learn from others. You can also participate deeper. Optionally, you can tell us who your healthcare providers are. If you have multiple children affected, you can manage multiple family member accounts from the single registry program. You can upload testing results, genetic testing information. You can invite other programs and even track particular measurement to see if this actually impacts growth as well. So in summary, you can spend an hour or so and really make a big difference in the community. Just by participating in a FPIES registry program, sharing your medical information, it can really help speed research. The community knows FPIES best, and the researchers could really use your insights in order to better connect the dots and really understand where they should focus their resources in order to potentially bring new and better treatments to the market.